Hey guys, this is Dark Shade Window Tint. I wanted to make a quick video on a film called Silver Reflective Film. Now this film is also known as mirror tint or privacy tint or chrome film. There's a lot of different words for this film, but it's basically called Silver Reflective Film, and we're going to be putting it on these two front doors right here for this commercial building. You can also put the exact same film on a home, and when it comes to homes, that comes with a lifetime warranty, and with commercial, a lot of times it's only a 10-year warranty. But I just quickly wanted to show you how it looks like right now before with nothing on it, absolutely nothing. You could even see that paper, it's inside, and we're still gonna leave the paper there, so when we install it, you can see how much of a big difference it makes. So this is how it looks like right now. I just quickly want to show you outside, inside, and then I'm gonna show you once we're all done. So let's take a look inside as well. So this is how the doors looks like on the outside. Let's go on the inside just so you can see real quick before the installation. So as you can see, the doors, they have nothing on them, and once we're completed, you're going to notice maybe a light shade of blue here, but for the most part you're going to easily be able to see outside. It's not going to make a big difference whatsoever, and I just want to show you it right now. Once we complete installing the doors, the reflective film, then I'm going to show you how it looks like on the outside, and then of course I'm going to come back inside. So let's get started on this project. So I just quickly wanted to shoot a shot of how it looks like with one having the reflective film and the other one not having it. As you can see the Christmas tree, you can see everything in there. And as soon as we go right here, you could barely see a tree, or you could barely see anything inside whatsoever. So once we complete this window right here, I'm gonna show you the completed project, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like on the inside. I just wanted to show you this real quick. Alright, so we completed installing the silver reflective film on the outside doors. So as you can see, you cannot see inside whatsoever, and it looks, you know, completely different compared to a just traditional window that you could easily see through. There's just long curtains on the other side. But for the most part, it came out clean. Everything came out great. Let's see how it looks like on the inside. But if you're looking for something that's going to provide privacy for your business or home, this film is the best film. And on top of that, it's going to reduce over 65% of the heat for sure. So it's going to reduce a lot of the heat. But this film is mainly used for privacy. But if heat's an issue as well, this film right here is the most cost-effective film to make that happen. So let's quickly go inside. So this is how the window film looks like on the inside. As you can see, it doesn't really make much of a big difference comparing it to a standard window. So this film is going to be great, so you could easily see outside, but when it comes to others being able to see inside, it's definitely not going to be possible for them. So this film all around is a great film for privacy and heat reduction. So this is how it looks like on the inside. And if you guys have any more questions or comments or concerns, just give us a call or comment down below. We'll be happy to help answer any questions. On to the next project.